Welcome to the Start and Grow Academy. I'm Craig Charlotte, and I'm super excited you're here. I started my first online business in 1998, and I haven't stopped since. I love this stuff, and I think you're going to love it too. I've worked with all kinds of businesses over the years, in the past 20 years, helping all kinds of businesses start and grow. Large ones, billion-dollar corporations, and even small people that have less than $500 to start their business. My mission on here is to help creators, coaches, consultants, experts, freelancers, entrepreneurs that want to turn their skills and their expertise into an online business that gives them both time and money freedom. I basically post weekly on here, all kinds of things on strategy, on lead generation, on content creation, creating offers, your systems and all your technology you need. All these things I talk about in videos and I post on here and also on my blog. I want you to join me on this. I'm here to help you. Check out some of the content in here. There's a lot of great resources. And if you're interested, check out the website. Come join our community. While you're at it, please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Welcome to the Start and Grow Academy. I'm super happy you're here. I'm Craig. Have an awesome day.